To Andy's guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share board in Miro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Miro, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Sharing a board in Miro is easy and allows others to collaborate with you, okay? Now, sharing your board allows team members to collaborate in real time, making it easier to brainstorm, share ideas, and work together on tasks. There are two ways for you, or multiple ways for you to be able to share your board in Miro. One is basically just go here at the upper right corner where you can see the share button, the blue one. I want you to click on it, and what will happen is you have this option to embed, publish, and invite. All right. Now, in the invite section, you can enter emails or invite from Slack, Google, or Microsoft, or simply just type in the email address that you wanted to be members to share with. All right. Because sharing this board will enable multiple people to contribute their insights, ensuring that all ideas, perspectives are considered. Now, you can give the access level. For example, when you select the view, they can comment, they can edit, or no access at all. Just copy the team invite link where you want to share this in social media platforms, maybe via WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and a lot more, all right? Or Skype, Zoom, or whatever. Now, you see, you also have the, you can grant access level and permissions. Anyone with link can comment and edit and all of that. But the thing is, if you wanted to access this feature, you might want to click on the upgrade button and you would be able to see the difference about the free plan, which I am right now using. If you wanted to get all of these features without limitations, for example, people that they have added here on the board can now edit and comment, but you have to avail the starter pack, which unlocks unlimited and private boards with essential features, and that is commenting and editing. That's $8 per month. And if you wanted to hover to the enterprise, which is one of their premium plans, I suggest you contact the sales professionals, and one of the support staff here in Miro are happy to assist you with any of your concerns. All right. Now, the next option is I want you to go to the homepage and just select the board that you recently worked with. There's going to be a three dots icon at the upper right corner. Just click on that option. This is very useful if you're working with multiple boards, all right? So you don't have to click on the board, the dashboard entirely. Just click on the three options. Click on share. And again, by sharing the boards during meetings, it will allow participants to interact directly with the content, such as by adding notes, voting, or moving elements around. Now, if by any chance you don't see this option share on your Miro board or any part of your Miro board, you might want to go to the Miro Support Center. And from here, you can simply contact all of these, and this is going to be the platforms that you can reach them. All right. You can also type in to see if you get an answer. Additionally, click on the Miro Help Center and go to the troubleshooting steps and guide technical questions. And once you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you're having problems on sharing board on your Miro app. Now, they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix the issue. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning into Andy's Guides. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest content, all right? See you in the next guide.